Hey guys, I thought I would jump on here quick and show you guys how easy it is to make these cute cards. So I'm going to go into Design Space and show you how easy it is to create these. If you're a beginner, these are perfect for you. Sorry, my camera's backwards, so I kind of angle them all over. But if your Cricut is still in the box, grab it really quick, hook it up to your computer, get on the internet with it, whatever you need to do, and you can make these in no time at all. So let's get started. First, I should introduce myself, guys. I am Chelly with We Can Make That. If you haven't seen my videos before, seen our Facebook page, you can jump on over to Facebook at We Can Make That. We've got some really great tutorials and fun things. So I wanted to just let me get over. I'm sharing my screen. So this is Design Space right now. And again, we're going to be making these cards. And I will show you how quick it is to do this. The nice thing about these cards, hold on, let me go back. So the nice thing about these cards is they are perfect for any occasion. This one I made around Valentine's Day, but if you were going to a wedding, you could really easily customize it to the brides. You know, the wedding colors. This one I did with some stars. I'm thinking I'm going to use it for a birthday, but if you have graduation maybe coming up or something like that, you could. And they have the pop dots on them, so, or dimensional dots, so you can see there's some dimension on these. But the stars make great graduation cards as well. Birthday cards, it really could be for any age if you need a quick card, or even do up a couple of them and leave them blank on the inside. I think this one could be. And then you can write notes, write a thank you note, a note to a teacher, that kind of thing. So let me go ahead and share my screen again. And I'll get back over to my other window. So this is Design Space right now. And it's pretty simple. When you get to the home page, you just click on New Project. And then over here, you're going to click on the Shapes tab. And then we're going to start with a square. These are, sorry, let me go back again. So these are the card bases that I used. Sorry, my computer is really glary there. They're from Michael's, I believe. Yeah, they're from Michael's. These are those hot buy ones, so they're like $5 for the whole container. So you can't beat the deal. And then make sure you grab washi tape that matches, or you could just use scraps of cardstock or scrapbooking paper, any of that too. So these are 4 1/4. Let's see if you can see that. They're 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So we're gonna go ahead. We'll go back and we're gonna change the square to match. So, okay, so we have this in here and you can see this little block. So this is obviously proportioned. It will, let me grab the tabs. No matter what I do with my cursor, it will only keep it a square. So we're gonna undo that. Then we can make it any size we want and it doesn't keep the proportion. So I'm gonna go up here and we want that to be 3.75 by 5. Oops, not 45, 5. Let me look at my screen, make sure you can see. Yep, I'll go ahead and hide that right now. So there's our shape, and this will provide the 1/4 of an inch around the edge. So that's why I did the 1/2 an inch smaller. But you obviously could do it any size you want. So if you don't have a card, you could cut the card and score it on the Cricut as well. Let's just go ahead and do the hearts because that's easy. So you just click on whatever shape you want. If there's a certain logo, or if you find a wedding bell or something like that and you want to do a wedding card, you can just go to the upload image and that will work as well. So we want this heart to be about that size. Click on the little arrow. We're going to go ahead, rotate it a little bit, and then over here I'm going to click the duplicate button. So now we have 2 of them. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And then this one I'm going to make, as my mom would say, a little kitty wampus the other way. And I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this one again with this button. Because us designers like to put things in 3s, right? And you can also do that one unproportioned, but I'm going to hit undo. But the hearts I like to leave proportioned so that I think they look a little bit better. You want to leave a little bit extra room between these. Let me zoom in a little. so that you can get the washi tape between these. There, you guys can still see. So I am going to go ahead and put that on there so you guys can see the buttons down in this corner. So there we go. So now you can see there's probably, I'm going to make this one just a hair smaller. Move them around a little bit so that you have room to add stuff on. You could also stamp some words in this spot right here. Or if you have the pens for the Cricut, you could write on them as well. But that's all it is. So now you have your base, which is the craft paper part on here. So we have that all designed. And then what we're going to do is click and drag across the whole thing. And then we're going to go down to the bottom here and hit attached. And that will keep the hearts exactly how they are where we put them. If you didn't click and drag and attach the whole sequence or the whole set, it would actually try to save paper. So it's going to take those hearts off of the square and just line everything up as condensed as it can. And that's all there is. And then you just go ahead and click the make it. And it shows you, it'll put it where you want. You could move it around. You probably know you could rotate it at any angle that you want. And then you just go ahead and hit continue. And that will take you to the cut window of Design Space. So that's all it is. It's so simple to make. And you know what? They do turn out super cute. So a lot of times we do cards and we take them over to the nursing home so that the people there have something to send out. A lot of them are, shut in. They can't get to the store a lot. If they forget last minute and need a quick card, then they have some stocked for them at the front desk. So they're super cute. If you guys like this page, don't forget to pin it for us. And then also head over to our Facebook page or Instagram. We would love to have you guys over there too. All right. Thanks, guys.